Hello everyone, welcome back to House DM. My name is Jake, and today I'm going to be making a Hero Forge Final Boss miniature for my own D&D 5th edition campaign. So without further ado, let's just dive right into it, and let's cue that epic time-lapse music. So yeah, Hero Forge is a pretty cool tool. Just to be clear with everybody, I'm not sponsored by Hero Forge. I just backed the Kickstarter in January of this year and was pretty excited to get some 3D color printed miniatures. And I finally decided to sit down and actually use their online tool and create something, and that's kind of what I ended up with. And to be pretty honest with you, I actually don't know what to expect. I don't know what they're going to look like, if it's going to be like on point, better than painting, painting's done, painting is canceled, nobody's going to paint miniatures anymore, or I don't believe that that will be the case. We'll just see. I cannot wear this on my face. Ow. My hair is too long. But now that that's taken care of, I'll make another video once my Forgotten Demon Prince final boss actually does arrive, and we'll go from there. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Love your friends, love your family, love your neighbors, but most importantly, love yourselves. I'll catch y'all next time.